So, how strong is Jin Mori in his final Monkey King form? So, as we know, our boy Jin Mori is not a human, and his power is even far greater than the gods. The first thing is that Jin Mori in his human form can possess superhuman abilities. He can use any kind of martial arts that he sees once or twice. But things go crazy about his Monkey King mode. In the past, when the Monkey King was the one and only true form of Jin Mori, he possesses godly abilities like flight, weather manipulation, lightning manipulation, absorption, sealing, duplication, immortality, shape-shifting, and there are many more in the list. The Monkey King have weapons, and the first of them is his staff known as Yui. And Yui can change its physical properties on Monkey King's command. Yui is so heavy that even the gods cannot pick it up. Those who tries to hold Yui got their arms ripped off. And still, after having such a heavy weight, Monkey King holds Yui. He holds Yui easily in his hands and he even uses it in combat, in fights against demons and in fights against gods. So, he also have his thunder cloud. He can summon his cloud in any dimension or even in space. And the cloud is alive himself. Cloud have its own senses, I can say, and allows Monkey King to control weather as he wanted. And there is a god bottle that can absorb anything into it. The last is Monkey King's armor suit. It's a supernatural armor that was made by the sacrifice of god blacksmith Hephaestus as an final ingredient into the sacrifice of the armor suit. It can block any kind of attack and it can change its shape, and it can also boost the power of Monkey King several times. It can increase its power, and there are different modes like speed mode, power mode of that armor suit. Monkey King's true power is revealed in the Great War of Ragnarok when he defeated gods like Michael the Archangel easily. His tough fight was with Saturn when he also defeated him. He was also able to defeat Saturn, known as the King of Gods. The King of Gods, Saturn, got so scared of Monkey King that he called him a being of higher dimension. You can just imagine that King of Gods, Saturn himself got scared of the Monkey King and called him the being of higher dimension. You can just imagine his strength. Because his power was even far greater than the strongest gods. So they were nothing in front of him. So the gods called him as the supreme god because no one from the gods was able to defeat him, and his power was like unimaginable for gods in the war of Ragnarok. And so he was able to defeat all the gods and he was known as the supreme god. And this was the prime time. This was the strongest phase of the Monkey King as we have known so far. But we cannot predict the future. If anything changes in the future, like there is a more stronger, if the creators introduce a more stronger form of Monkey King in the future of God of High School. But till now, this is the strongest form. This was the strongest form of Jin Mori, the Monkey King. And if you enjoyed the video, thanks for watching and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.